In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Safari search history. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Safari browser and there hit at that bookmark icon. Now here you got three tabs. The first is your bookmarks, the second is your reading list, and the last is your search history. You can drag it up to expand it, and there would be the list of all your search requests, and you can delete them one by one. You can just swipe to the left and there hit on delete to delete one specific search request. Also, you can hold down on that request and here hit on delete. And if you want to clear the whole search history list, all you have to do is there hit at clear, and here you can select period of time, like all the time, like today and yesterday, just today, or you can clear the history for the last hour. I'll select today, and all today's search request has just been cleared. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.